You can slow down the videos by clicking the gear icon below the video. So we're going to start with a slip knot. So here I've crocheted a chain of 18 stitches. You can make them any size you like, it doesn't matter. And in the second stitch from the hook, I'm going to single crochet. And I'm going to single crochet in each stitch across the row. Chain one, and I'm going to turn. I'm going to single crochet in every stitch across the row. Okay, I'm at the last stitch of the row, and I've already got 1 inch done of my washcloth. So I'm going to chain one and turn. Skip that first stitch always, because that chain one takes the place of the first stitch. And I'm going to single crochet in every stitch across the row. So I'm just going to go off camera and do that. I'll be right back. There I go. That's the end of 3 rows, and I already have 1.5 inches done. So I'm just going to do a few rows, and then I'll be back. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rows done, and I'm already half finished. Okay, so I'm now finished with this jumbo, very thick, luxurious dishcloth. So now I'm just going to fasten off, and then I'll just thread this yarn into a yarn needle and weave it back and forth through the finished work. You know you're finished, and you have a complete square when you can fold your dishcloth diagonally, and both sides will be the same length. And basically, to have a square, you'll probably have as many rows as you had chain stitches across your foundation chain. I chained 18, and I used up 1 to turn, so I had 17, and I have 17 rows of single crochets. And that's how easy and quick it is to make a luxurious and thick cloth for the kitchen, or a washcloth for the bathroom. And they're very thick and luxurious, and I love these. You can use any size yarn and any size hook that you like. And you're going to work a foundation chain that has multiples of 3 plus an extra 2. So I'm going to chain 17. And I'm going to single crochet in the second stitch from the hook. Single crochet. And then I'm going to skip 2 stitches, and in the next stitch I'm going to make single crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, single crochet. Okay, so all in the same stitch, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet. And you're going to repeat that across the row. Skip 2 stitches, in the next stitch, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet. 1, 2, and at the end of the row I'm going to skip 2 stitches, single crochet in the last stitch. Next row, chain 2 and turn. In every chain 2 space across the row, right there, make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. So in every one of these stitches, make 3 double crochet, make 1 double crochet in the last stitch. 1 double crochet at the end of the row. And that's how that looks. And now it's just going to be a repeat of these 2 rows. So I'm going to chain 1 and turn, single crochet in the same stitch. In the center stitch of the first 3 double crochet cluster, make a single crochet, chain 2, single crochet. And now working across the row, in the center stitch of each 3 double crochet cluster, I'm going to make single crochet, chain 2, single crochet. So I'm going to repeat that across the row. Single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, and single crochet in the last stitch of the row. Chain 2 and turn. In each chain 2 space across the row, make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. And double crochet in the last stitch. That's it. Just keep repeating those 2 rows over and over. And there I've worked a few more rows, and that's the easy primrose stitch. A great stitch for making scarves or sweaters. And there you go. That's another easy stitch that you can crochet. I'm using cotton worsted yarn and a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. Start with a slip knot, just make a loop, pick up the yarn and pull it through. And I'm going to start with chain 5. To chain, you simply pick up the yarn with the hook and you pull it through the stitch. So I need 5, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join, and that forms a ring. Chain 2, 1, 2. Make 14 double crochet in the ring. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, pass the hook through the ring, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. And I'm going to make 14 of those. That's 1, so I'm going to make another 13 double crochet in the ring. Okay, I've made my 14 double crochet in the ring. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. Chain 2, 1, 2. In the same stitch, make 1 double crochet, chain 1, make 2 more double crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2. Make 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. 1, 2. Make a corner stitch in the next stitch. So corner stitch is 2 double crochet, 1, 2, chain 1, 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. So that's your first corner stitch, and this is the second corner stitch. Double crochet in the next 2 stitches. So double crochet, and a corner stitch. 2 double crochet, 1, 2, chain 1, 2 double crochet. Okay, so repeat all the way around. Double crochet, corner stitch, double crochet, corner stitch, double crochet, slip stitch to join. Okay, I worked all the way around. At the end of this row, slip stitch to join in the top of the first chain 2. And now every row will be the same. It will be chain 2, turn the work, double crochet in each stitch up to the corner stitch. Double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, And there's the chain 1 space. So in that chain 1 space, I'm going to make a corner stitch, 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet, 1, 2. Now you're going to repeat that all the way around. So double crochet in each stitch up to the corner stitch. In the corner stitch, make a corner stitch of 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet. Work all the way around. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the second stitch of the chain 2. Okay, I've worked all the way around that row, and you'll just continue to make more and more rows until your cloth is the size you would like it to be. If you'd like to put the extra edging around, after fastening off, you'll pull the new color in through that stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the next stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the next stitch. And you just continue that all the way around. And here's how that looks. And that's it. Thanks for watching Hectanuka 1. Bye for now.